Are you thinking about the Sense? Are you considering putting it in your house? What do you need? What do you need to know? Let's make it really quick and easy. Inside the box, you're going to get these clamps. You'll also get that adapter. There's the finished box wired in, and the breaker. So how does this thing hook up? It's actually really simple. One of these clips goes up to those clamps. The other one wires in to your household breaker. And the last of the wires, this guy, to your home Wi-Fi. That's it. After they're wired in, you just clip these guys in. They only fit one way, and the box is up and running. Considerations if you're putting one in, it's going to come down to up here. Those clamps, you got to make sure you have enough room in your box to put one in. If not, or if you're even considering one, you might want to get a qualified electrician to put those things in there. Those stay live all the time, even if your breaker box is off, so they're constantly hot. I'm probably 80% idiot, so I just decided to do it myself. I have done a lot of wiring and stuff, still doesn't excuse it. Probably not the greatest idea, but I ended up putting my own in. The bottom half of the box, if you want just the electrician to put the clamps up here, that's going to take them a couple of minutes. They just pop right in. Versus where I'm doing it, I actually am doing it with the live current. So I struggled with mine quite a bit. I ended up playing around with those things for about, I think it was 2 hours, till I finally got them in place. But yeah, you put the two clamps on, and that one for either side of the hot wires coming in. That lets the Sense know what your current flow is. And then amps times voltage gets you your watts. So that's why the Sense needs its own breaker, so that it knows what the current is. And that's how you get your accuracy. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did have a zip tie on one of the clamps. And that's because I found out at first my accuracy wasn't the greatest. The clamps were opening up, so zip tie, clamps stay closed, accuracy is there, and that's it. The biggest thing to kind of keep in mind is real estate on the top. Make sure you got room up there. If you got room up there, the rest of the install is super quick, super easy. On first power up, make sure you have the app, the Sense app, installed on your phone. It only gives you, I think, about 15 seconds to connect to your phone and to the app. Once that's connected, it'll ask for the Wi-Fi username and password, and the rest is very straightforward. If you've installed any app on your phone, you'll have no problems with that at all.